What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Facebook as a communication channel on Wix. So to do that, you want to just simply log into your Wix website, scroll down on the left hand side and you will find settings. Under the settings section, scroll all the way down to the communication and notification section and you will find communication channels. So you can click on that and you will have Facebook in the list right there. What this allows you to do is to view and reply to Facebook messages directly from your Wix inbox, right? So you want to go ahead and click on setup and you will need to, of course, authorize your Facebook account. As you can see right here, you see that it's not connected. So you click on connect Facebook and you will be able to continue and to sync your Facebook account directly with your Wix account. So as you can see right here, it's done, it's redirected. Of course, it says no page phone. That's because I don't have a page set up. But if I did, I'll be able to quickly connect them both. And so that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy. It's very easy and very simple, really. Just go ahead and connect your Facebook account and you'll be able to do that directly from your business page from Facebook. And that's it, guys.